Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download modified APKs for games and applications, etc. So here's this application that you have to download, Happy Mod. So you can also access it online, like their website. Also, Mods APK is another website where you can download these modified APKs. Here you can see, for example, I have to download a modified APK for Temple Run. Make sure that you check that how, like, the percentage of the hack, that like it shows the working percentage. So usually the apps with 60 or 65 above percentage, they work, like they work really. There are some apps, like some of apps that shows that it has a modified APK, but they do not work, and they also have always have a rating less than 65. You can see, you can not only download modified APKs for games, you can also use it for apps, various kinds of apps to access the premium materials. Say for example, I wanted one for PixArt, so then you can access the gold version of PixArt for free. And let me show you for the Temple Run, I had downloaded it from this app only, and I'll show you what I've got. So here you can see I've got unlimited gems and unlimited coins, and also from this I have fully upgraded my abilities, and I have just downloaded it 1 or 2 days ago, and I've unlocked all the maps with gems. Here you can see, and now I'll be playing this game, so it's kind of a gameplay for Temple Run 2 as well. So sometimes it's fun to play games of like these types of games, because they're really, you know, they're fun, and you don't have to think a lot, or you don't have to strategize, you just have to play. So it's basically, for a change, I like these types of games. And also when I have a hack, a modified APK. Otherwise, I usually do not play games which do not have like some kind of role playing or some kind of motive, you know. So I do not like to play those games. But yes, for a change, I like playing Temple Run or Subway Surfers or things like that. So basically, the app that I've got, the modified for modified applications. So I have been using it from like past 6 to 7 months, and I've downloaded various apps uh, in my previous mobile phone, and I had been playing like the one we have choices, the role playing games, and we have secrets, I am not sure, and we have your stories. All these games that I've installed, and their hacks, their modified APKs were working. So make sure you check the details, what is written in the modified APK version, so you'll get that. That's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.
1, 2, 3, come on!